Hello, I am Ray from Miro AI Studio. Make your boards more visual and professional with images and icons. Here's how to use them in Miro. Click Tools, Media and Integrations on the left toolbar and search for images and icons. Browse royalty-free images from Unsplash or icons from Font Awesome. Search for specific images or browse categories for inspiration. Click to select and place on your board, or drag and drop. Over thousands of professional images and icons at your fingertips. Select any icon and change its color from the context menu. Match your brand or color code by category. Need to swap an image? Click the image, select Replace Image, then Replace from Library. Perfect for updating presentation templates or trying different visuals without repositioning. Add borders to images with adjustable thickness, color, and opacity. Use the slider to round corners for softer edges. Crop images directly in Miro. Select an image, click Mask and Crop, and choose a shape like circle or square. You can even bulk crop multiple images at once into the same shape. No third-party tools needed. Select multiple images, click the resize icon, and choose Match Height or Match Width. Then click Auto Layout on the upper right corner to align them instantly. Perfect for creating clean image grids or visual galleries without manual alignment. Images and icons make your boards more engaging and professional. Ready to add them? Click the link in the description to explore Miro's image library. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more Miro customization tutorials.